Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to prepare this triangle sweet. It's so funny that I just gave this name to the sweet because of its shape. It is a sweet very similar to Kaja that is popular in many parts of India. I learned this recipe from my mother-in-law and I am very thankful to her. This sweet is liked by my extended family members, friends and neighbors with whom I have shared so far. So here are the main ingredients listed for you. And this can make around 20 to 22 pieces. First, measure quarter cup of ghee or neigh. It needs to be melted, and quarter cup of milk at room temperature. Add a pinch of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Now add maida little by little and mix it thoroughly. You want to ensure that the dough is not too watery nor too thick. You can check the consistency here. Set it aside for 10 to 15 minutes and then start making the triangles out of it. First, roll the dough into small marble-sized balls. Then use a rolling pin and make the triangle shapes as seen here. First a circle, fold it to a semicircle and then finally a triangle. Now press it down from all the sides. It is very important that you press it down after making the triangle shape. If not, it will tend to open up widely when you slide it into hot oil. When you are done rolling 3/4 of the dough, heat oil in a small deep pan for frying. Roll the remaining dough and set it aside. Once the oil is hot, start frying the triangles in small batches. Ensure that the oil is on medium heat. Fry it until it turns into slightly golden brown color. You can see that one of the triangles is widely opened up here, and that is because it did not get pressed well. If it opens up slightly like this, that is okay. When it is slightly brown in color, remove it from oil and place it on a tissue paper to remove the excess oil, and then fry the next batch. When you are done frying half of the triangles, you can get started with the preparation of sugar syrup. Take half a cup of sugar and add as much water required to make the sugar wet and bring it to a boil. Simultaneously keep frying the triangles. Stir the sugar syrup once or twice in between and simultaneously keep frying all the triangles. By the time you finish frying all the triangles, your sugar syrup also must be ready. So the right consistency for the syrup is one string consistency. It needs to be sticky enough. Put the stove on sim or very low and then add triangles few at a time into the hot boiling sugar syrup. Flip it over and let it stay for a minute, and then remove it and place it on a greased plate or on a parchment paper. Repeat this process until all of the triangles are dipped in the syrup. Ensure that you flip it on both the sides and let it stay for at least a minute in the syrup. You can see that my sugar syrup was completely used up when I was done. Delicious triangle sweet is now ready. Allow it to cool completely before you can store it in an airtight container. This can be stored up to 1 week or even 10 days. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching and see you soon again with another recipe. There are more tips and notes here to help you with the recipe.